Who's that stunning, energetic dog with penetrating eyes? A dense coat and an air of wild majesty? The one famous for their resilience, boundless energy, and an absolute love for running? Yes, we're talking about the captivating, the enduring, the truly iconic Siberian Husky. For the last decade, their popularity has absolutely skyrocketed. It's easy to see why their wolf-like appearance and independent spirit make them unique. But is life with a husky all adventurous, runs and beautiful blue eyes? Or is there a complex, demanding, and sometimes mischievous personality beneath that majestic facade? We've prepared this deep dive video dedicated to answering those questions and sharing 10 things you probably didn't know about the Siberian Husky. We'll uncover their ancient history, explore their wild vocalizations, and tell the story of a husky who became an unforgettable hero. Stick with us to discover these 10 fascinating facts. And while you're here, remember to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell so you don't miss any of our upcoming breed spotlights. 1. The closest canine relative to the wolf. When you look at a Siberian Husky, their resemblance to the wolf is striking. And it's no accident. Their pointed ears, penetrating gaze, and long muzzle scream wild. Cousin, it's common for people to think the Husky is a direct descendant or a close cross with a modern wolf, especially because of their appearance. The truth is nuanced. While modern scientific studies confirm that the domesticated dog did not descend from the modern-day gray wolf, genetic analysis shows the Husky is one of the most ancient dog breeds, sharing a close lineage with the wolf. They are separated by thousands of years of parallel evolution, but their DNA profile puts them incredibly close to the genetic root of all dogs. The physical traits that resemble the wolf are functional. Their erect ears are crucial for hearing in vast open spaces, and their streamlined body is built for efficiency and endurance over miles of snowy terrain. This primal connection means their instincts, such as howling, digging, and pack mentality, are often stronger than those of many other breeds. Understanding this deep-seated wolf-like instinct is the first step to truly understanding the Siberian Husky. They require a confident owner who respects their ancient heritage and strong-willed nature. 2. The genetics of heterochromia. 2 different colored eyes. One of the Husky's most mesmerizing features is the possibility of having heterochromia, the condition of having one eye of each color, most commonly one blue and one brown. This quality, which gives them a striking and mysterious look, is largely due to a genetic mutation that is hereditary within the breed. Heterochromia also occurs in humans and other animal species, but in the Husky, it is particularly prevalent and accepted by breed standards. This condition doesn't affect their vision, it's purely aesthetic. While some people believe that blue-eyed Huskies are automatically more prone to health issues or deafness, this is a myth. The eye color is separate from any vision problems. Beyond having one blue and one brown eye, they can also exhibit party-colored or segmented eyes, where one eye displays 2 different colors within the iris. This wide variation in eye color is a beautiful genetic quirk that adds to the breed's allure and unique visual appeal. 3. Exceptional adaptability to diverse environments. It's common knowledge that the Husky excels in cold climates. Their thick, double Siberian coat is a marvel of natural engineering, providing insulation that allows them to withstand frigid temperatures. Well below freezing, they are literally built for blizzards. However, the surprising fact is their adaptability to temperate and even warmer climates, a characteristic that sets them apart from other heavy-coated northern breeds like the Alaskan Malamute, who often suffer greatly in the heat. Huskies are capable of regulating their body temperature with greater efficiency than many other dogs. They shed their undercoat seasonally, known as blowing coat, allowing their double coat to act as both a heater in winter and insulation against the heat in summer. This doesn't mean they are immune to heat stroke. Owners in warm climates must still take extreme precautions, restricting exercise to cool hours, providing constant shade, and using cooling vests. Their ability to adapt is a testament to the hardiness and selective breeding by the Chukchi people who originally developed them. 4. The unique capacity for vocalization. We can definitively call the Husky an especially vocal and communicative dog. They have a unique sound palette, emitting various distinct noises, but often not barking. Instead, they howl, talk, whine, chirp, and complain, with an impressive range of vocalizations that often sound like a mixture of singing and speaking. This capacity for communication stems from their pack nature. Howling is a key tool for long-distance communication in a pack environment. For a husky, howling is social, and they will often sing along to sirens, music, or other dogs. Their sense of hearing also deserves special mention. They are capable of hearing sounds up to 10 miles, 15 kilometers away in the right conditions, an essential ability for working and locating pack members in vast, quiet, snowy landscapes. Owners quickly learn to distinguish between the various songs their husky performs, which are often hilarious but require patient management, especially in apartment settings. 5. One of the world's most ancient dog breeds. The Siberian Husky is a truly ancient breed, created by the semi-nomadic Chukchi people of northern Siberia. Their origins date back thousands of years. While they certainly performed essential tasks related to work, such as pulling sleds and transporting goods, they were also crucial members of the community in a broader sense. The Huskies slept with the women and children to provide warmth and protection, particularly against the extreme cold. This close cohabitation fostered a gentle, affectionate nature despite their primitive origins. A recent genetic study, analyzing the DNA of over 60 modern dog breeds, confirmed the Husky's antiquity, ranking it as the 4th oldest dog breed in the world. This genetic distinction highlights their separation from European breeds and underscores the careful, long-term, selective breeding by the Chukchi for endurance, speed, and companionship. 6. Champion of the snow. Their undying love for winter. It's no surprise that the Husky adores snow. Every Husky demonstrates great interest in it, likely because of the profound impact snow had on their historical survival. For a Husky, snow isn't just a fun environment. It's home. They are biologically designed to thrive in it. Their paw pads are large and well insulated, allowing them to traverse snow without freezing, and their double coat is impenetrable to the cold. In fact, many Huskies will happily choose to sleep outside in a blizzard, preferring the cold comfort of the snow to a warm indoor bed. This love for snow isn't just about temperature, it's an instinctual connection to their working purpose. When a Husky sees snow, their ancestral memory of pulling a sled is often activated, leading to bursts of energetic excitement and playful digging, which they are experts at. 7. Born to run, endurance over speed. Along with the Alaskan Malamute, Huskies worked as sled dogs, transporting food and supplies from one location to another. Contrary to popular belief and cinematic depictions, they were not typically chosen for transporting people. Instead, they were chosen for this task for several key reasons. Primarily their resistance to cold, their relatively lighter weight compared to the Malamute, and most importantly, their incredible capacity for performing long-distance travel. The sleds were pulled by teams of several dogs, each with a specific function. What makes the Husky unique is its endurance. They are not the fastest dogs, but they are masters of sustained, efficient effort. They have a metabolic rate that allows them to run for hours without depleting their energy stores, essentially acting as incredible endurance athletes. This deep need to run means that daily, vigorous exercise is absolutely essential for their physical and mental well-being. A walk around the block will simply not suffice for this breed. 8. Adaptability to different families. The sensitive, affectionate side. The internet is filled with hilarious videos of Huskies, and there's no doubt that they are great companions for children and excellent friends for daily walks. But Huskies are also sensitive and incredibly affectionate dogs in their day-to-day lives. Their unique temperament is highly variable, but generally, they are pack-oriented and social because they are not inherently guard dogs. Their historical role was to alert, not attack. They are often friendly even with strangers, a trait that makes them great family dogs but poor security guards. However, their strong character and independent nature mean that owners must put effort into offering various forms of physical and mental entertainment. A bored Husky is a destructive Husky. Their affectionate nature requires constant human presence, and they are not dogs that thrive being left alone for long periods. They adapt well to different family dynamics, provided their family is active, consistent, and includes them in daily life. And the Husky as a War dog, transportation and communication. When we think of war dogs, the German Shepherd often comes to mind. Used as a messenger, rescue dog, and even mine dog. However, the Husky also excelled during the Second World War. They performed crucial work in transportation and communication, particularly in the unforgiving, frozen terrains of the Arctic regions where mechanized vehicles could not operate. Their endurance and cold resistance made them invaluable assets for carrying medical supplies, food, and urgent communications across huge distances in the harsh weather conditions of the war front. This demonstrates that their utility extends beyond their traditional role in the Far East, showcasing their adaptability and reliance in extreme conditions. 10. Balto, an unforgettable hero. The story of Balto, a mixed-breed husky, is one of the most impactful about this race, and Disney even recounted it in 2 films. It all began in 1925, when several children in a city called Nome, Alaska, contracted diphtheria and had no possibility of receiving life-saving antitoxin medication due to severe blizzard conditions. A group of men and their sled dog teams embarked on a perilous journey across a dangerous route to save the lives of the village children. The relay involved multiple teams, traveling over 674 miles in brutal conditions. Many men died, including their lead dogs. But Balto, under the final musher, Gunnar Kaasen, was the one who ran the final, most dangerous leg of the journey and successfully led his team, despite having no prior experience. As a lead dog, 5 days later, they reached their destination and were received as heroes. Appearing in newspapers across the entire country, Balto became an international symbol of courage, resilience, and canine heroism, immortalizing the Siberian Husky spirit in history. So, which of these amazing facts surprised you the most? Did you already know about Balto or their role in World War II? The Siberian Husky is truly a remarkable blend of ancient lineage and modern companionship. They are dogs of boundless energy, fierce loyalty, and a demanding yet rewarding independence. They ask for dedication, exercise, and a constant job, and in return, they offer a lifetime of adventures, laughter, and an unbreakable bond that will make you feel like you have a little bit of the wild running right by your side. Tell us your thoughts and suggestions in the comments below. And don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel so you don't miss the next video. Until next time, stay loyal and keep exploring.